Twisted Dreams, a space anomaly. 2 lives, 1 solution. 2 women, 2 fates. One may die, but the other will thrive.
I am thrilled that both of you were able to find my hidden laboratory. You're going to space. You'll face space radiation, microgravity, and gene mutation. I have been developing a highly advanced system to protect new astronauts from the dangers of space. I have spent 49 years synthesizing 2 medications called Amplify and Demolish, and a tracking device for the human body called STAR. Delusional scientist. I just used your new concoction. First, I must think of names. The first medication is amplifying the positive effects of space. Oh, that's it, amplify. The next one is demolishing the negative effects of space. Oh, demolish, wow, that was so much easier than I thought. Astronauts only need to take 1 tablet every 6 months when on long missions. They contain extremely high doses of each active ingredient, which are released very slowly to provide equal protection each day. Astronauts would receive 3 times the daily recommended amount of each active ingredient than a human on Earth.
Okay, now, amplify. There are far fewer positive effects than negative effects. So for amplify, I will only need oxytocin and telomerase. Oxytocin promotes empathy, trust, positive memories, and good communication, which are required and necessary in space. Telomerase is an enzyme that can be used to extend telomeres, which increases life expectancy and happens naturally in space. For demolish, I will need 20 active ingredients, but a few are high in demand specifically for astronauts. The following target consequences of space's most problematic environmental factors: radiation and microgravity. Vitamin A, essential for eye health and restoring vision. Vitamin B12, for maintaining a healthy and active energy level. Vitamin C, protects against high levels of radiation and supports immune health. Vitamin D, essential for retaining calcium, controlling inflammation, and preventing depression. Protein helps to rebuild lost muscle mass. Calcium, decalcification of bones requires higher calcium intake. It supports bone density. Zinc is most important for immune health and function. Homophosphine, in high doses, it protects against high levels of ionizing radiation. Omega-3 fatty acids and plant-derived antioxidants fight against oxidative stress, which is damage to cells and DNA on a molecular level. And the human parathyroid hormone stimulates bone formation for advanced osteoporosis found in astronauts.
Now, for the tracking device for the human body. It stalks your body, so it should be called stock. It will be around 1 millimeter in size, and it will be inside each amplify and demolish tablet. It shall be made out of titanium, which is biocompatible. Upon ingestion, the device would enter the bloodstream. It uses radio waves, magnetic fields, and ultrasounds that communicate with devices on board. Once medical data is collected from the body, astronauts will send the results to scientists on Earth. If blood results show that amplified demolish do not provide sufficient nutrition, stock is equipped with thin metal membranes that hold limited doses of each active ingredient. Astronauts are able to administer membrane contents by communicating with stock from devices on board. I just realized this relates to SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals. Amplified and demolish were designed to prevent the health consequences of space travel while guaranteeing the long-term benefits, and stock would assist with taking care of oneself proactively, which ties into number 3, good health and well-being. The pharmaceutical industry would receive a substantial amount of money from the innovation. Astronauts' abilities to travel in space would increase, helping to sustain the space travel industries and future discoveries, which ties into number 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. I think I'm done.
She's dead. What happened? She went there in space. What the heck? She's dead. Oh my god, no, she's dead now. She's dead. I don't know what happened. I warned her. We always did this. We did this. I warned her.
Astronaut number 2 is a billionaire because her increased cognitive and physical functions have allowed her to work smarter and harder. Twisted Helix, a space anomaly, in theaters May 10, 2024.